Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can check your edit properties in the card on the stake app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the stake app, and after going to the stake app, now I will show you that how you can check your add to card properties. So for example, if you want to add this, you have to click on this, and after that what we need to do, we have to click on the add to card option. Let's say click on this, and after clicking on this will be added into your cart. Now what we need to do, and let's go to the bake and click on this, and I'm going to click on this again. Let's go to the home, and after going to the home, you will be able to see the option like add to cart here. Let's click on this, and you will be able to see all the edit properties here. So you can choose any of them, and if you want to purchase them, you can also do that. If you want to remove from here, you can also do that. You just have to click on the remove, and it will be removed from here. Let's click on this remove. So as you can see, now it's removed. So in this way you can remove the properties from the card. You can add the properties into your card. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.